Hey guys, so today I got my Ipsy bag for the month of August, so let's get into it. Okay, so here is the bag this month. It's like a neon coral orange. It has like a yellow tassel. Okay, the first thing in here is, looks like something from Pixi by Petra. This is the Fresh Face Blush in Beach Rose. So there is just a nice dusty rose color, but has like a warm undertone. So here's it swatched. So let's try it on the face and see how pigmented it is. Blows up a lot of powder. So it is pretty pigmented, but it blends out really nicely and it looks to be like a satin matte, I would say. It's not like fully matte, but it's not shimmery at all. So that's nice. I have like a split pan highlighter that I got from Ipsy a while ago and I really didn't like that. So I'm glad I like the blush. Okay, next thing in here is from Ciaté. This is the Glow 2 highlighter. This is in Moondust. So here it is. It's just a nice pinky champagne highlighter, I would say. And it's weird, the compact for it, instead of being metal so you can pop it in like a palette, it's plastic. So you'd have to pop like a magnet on here to put it in a palette. But let's swatch it. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so I'm just going to pop that on my cheeks and see how it looks. Okay, so that's really pretty. I like that. It does look like it has little specks of glitter in it, but it seems to be really contained within the highlighter formula, so it's not like falling all over my face yet anyways. But it is really pretty, so I like this. And next in here is, this is from the Balm. It's an eyeshadow called Locked Up. It's like a nice gunmetal shade. So, swatched. Ooh. Has like a purple undertone to it. That's really pretty. Okay. So I'm just going to take that on my finger, I guess, and pop it on my lid. Okay, so that went on really nicely and it is very pigmented, and I don't use a lot of silver shadows, I guess, just because I guess warm tones are more in style right now, but this looks really cool and I feel like it complements my hair really well. Okay, and next in here is this Pūrlisse Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. And this is just a moisturizer, a gel moisturizer, I guess. And I wonder if it smells like watermelons. So it's like clear and a gel consistency. Ooh. It smells like watermelon Jolly Ranchers. So, oh, I love that. So I will be trying this out because I want my face to smell like watermelon candy. That sounds great. All right, and the last thing in here is a what? This is a full-size Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Flirt. So these lipsticks by themselves are like 20 bucks a piece, so I think that paid for my Ipsy bag. Okay, so here is the lipstick Flirt On. I really like this color. It's like a cool toned brown. I feel like it really goes with the eyes really well. So I have a few of these Huda Beauty liquid matte lipsticks already, and I do like the formula. They're not the longest lasting, but they do stick around a while, and they aren't too overly drying, so they're not very uncomfortable to wear. So this pays for the box alone. I really like this. The blush I think looks really nice. It blended out really nicely and I like the color. The eyeshadow really surprised me. It's very pigmented and it is very pretty. I should wear silver eyeshadows more often because it looks really nice. And the highlighter looks very, very shiny. The glitter particles worry me a bit, but I do like this overall. And then this I really like as well. This smells amazing. Hopefully it doesn't break me out just because of the fragrance in there. But I feel like it did moisturize my hand pretty well. I usually stick to cream moisturizers more than gel just because they help more with my dry skin. But I like gel moisturizers during the day a lot, so I will definitely be trying this. And I feel like this was a really good month for Ipsy, in my opinion. I really like my bag this month. There's really nothing that I didn't like. I guess like the packaging of these little eyeshadows. I wish they would just send like the metal pan just so it's easy to pop into a magnetic palette. Same with this highlighter. I wish the pan on this was metal instead of plastic. But what are you gonna do? So yeah guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you got in your Ipsy bag this month and if yours was a hit this month like mine, and I will see you in my next video.